Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily connect PHP file to MySQL database using phpMyAdmin. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open XAMPP control panel on your device and make sure in the module section Apache, MySQL and FileZilla both are started. In the action, you need to see the option of stop, stop, stop for all the three action. After that, head toward your local disk, go to your XAMPP folder and go to htdocs. After that, in this folder, make sure you include the file of your codes. And now go to localhost phpMyAdmin. And there you can see in the left hand side, you will see your file has been connected. So that's it. That is how easily you can connect your PHP file to MySQL using phpMyAdmin. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.